2011 Dodge Charger HEMI. HEMI. Still got the factory converters right there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe. Then we did something different. Flow FX Flowmasters. One there and one there. Then we did a muffler delete on the back, or resonator delete also. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. There's the Flow FX. If you guys want these mufflers, you can see the link in the description on where to get them. Let you guys hear it in a second. Not bad. This is what all came off of it right there. Bad at all. Hope you guys like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Flowmaster Flow FX. Not bad. 2013 Chrysler 300M, or S actually, sorry. Chrysler 300S. It's got factory catalytic converters, factory X pipe, and we did a mid muffler delete right there, and left the rear resonators, or rear mufflers. Everybody calls them differently. Like that. You just want a little bit of noise, not a lot. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2015 Dodge Charger HEMI, 5.7 liter. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe. Then we did some Flowmaster Super 10s right there and right there. Part number 842518. If you guys want to look in the description. You can purchase those and put them on your vehicle. And then there's the two tailpipes right there and right there. We cut the back two resonators or mid mufflers or rear mufflers. Everybody calls them differently. And there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Flowmaster Super Tins never disappoint. They always sound good. Let you guys hear on the inside. HEMI. ...2019 Dodge Charger, HEMI, fully loaded. What we got done on it for you guys is still got the stocks, converters, has less than 15,000 miles on it, I think. Got a true X pipe from the factory. Then we did a mid muffler resonator delete, there and there. Then we also just did a rear muffler or resonator delete right there and right there. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna put some blue flame tips on it next. There it is right there. So it's completely straight pipe now, other than the catalytic converters, which are illegal in our state to take off. So we cannot take them off. It's a federal law. There it is. Dodge Charger RT. That's what it looks like. 2019 Dodge Charger RT. They never disappoint. You guys hear it on the inside.
Inside the cockpit of the Charger.
That sucker's loud. 2013 Dodge Charger HEMI RT. What we got done on it is got high flow cats, long tube headers, X pipe, and and we did a resonator delete, and it already had a muffler delete. Right there, right there. That's what it looks like. Right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Complete system, basically, straight pipe all the way down. Sounds sick. I love it. That does sound good, yeah. And it's absolutely beautiful. What a beast! That is beast right there.
Feel me like a Hellcat.